Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. In this video you will see some common symptoms that are associated with insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when your body's cells become less responsive to the effects of insulin, leading to elevated levels of glucose in the blood. It is important to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis. Here are 20 symptoms that may be associated with insulin resistance, along with brief explanations. Number 1. Fatigue. Feeling tired or lacking energy could be a symptom of insulin resistance due to the body's inability to effectively utilize glucose for energy. Number 2. Frequent hunger. Increased appetite or constant feelings of hunger may be a result of unstable blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance. Number 3. Weight gain. Insulin resistance can interfere with the body's ability to regulate weight, leading to unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Number 4. Increased abdominal fat. Insulin resistance can cause fat to accumulate around the abdomen, known as central or visceral fat. Number 5. High blood pressure. Insulin resistance may contribute to elevated blood pressure levels. Number 6. Darkened skin patches. A condition called acanthosis nigricans can occur, causing dark, thickened patches of skin, usually in body folds such as the neck, armpits, or groin. Number 7. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. Insulin resistance is strongly associated with PCOS, which can lead to irregular periods, infertility, and excess hair growth. Number 8. Skin tags. Insulin resistance can contribute to the formation of small, benign skin growths called skin tags. Number 9. Frequent urination. Insulin resistance can affect kidney function and lead to increased urination. Number 10. Increased thirst. Frequent urination caused by insulin resistance can result in increased thirst. Number 11. Brain fog. Difficulty concentrating or mental sluggishness may be associated with insulin resistance. Number 12. Sleep disturbances. Insulin resistance has been linked to sleep problems, such as sleep apnea or difficulty falling asleep. Number 13. Slow wound healing. Insulin resistance can impair the body's ability to heal wounds, leading to delayed healing. Number 14. Digestive issues. Some individuals with insulin resistance may experience gastrointestinal symptoms like bloating, gas, or constipation. Number 15. High triglyceride levels. Insulin resistance can contribute to elevated levels of triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood. Number 16. Low HDL cholesterol. Insulin resistance is often associated with low levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol. Number 17. Increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance is a significant risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes. Number 18. Increased inflammation. Insulin resistance can trigger chronic low-grade inflammation in the body. Number 19. Hormonal imbalances. Insulin resistance can disrupt the balance of various hormones, leading to irregular menstrual cycles, fertility issues, or hormonal disorders. Number 20. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Insulin resistance is closely linked to NAFLD, which is the accumulation of fat in the liver without alcohol abuse. Remember that these symptoms are not exclusive to insulin resistance and can be caused by other conditions as well. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.